Now that you have created a library of personal quilt block designs in the Quilt Block canvas, you are ready to assemble them into virtual quilt layouts using the Quilters Designer. The Create Quilt tab will be active anytime that you have created and saved quilt blocks. Click it to open the Quilters Designer feature. Step 1 is to select a quilt size for your project. All of the listed sizes are the dimensions of the mattress top. The drop dimension is how many inches that the quilt will hang over the edge of the mattress top on the two sides and the foot of the bed. Select this measurement and the quilt size is automatically adjusted. The tuck dimension is how many inches you allow for tucking the quilt under the front edge of a pillow and then over the top of the pillow. Any selection, here again, automatically adjusts the quilt size. Step 2 is to select a block size for placement onto your quilt layout. Once you have selected a block size, the desired quilt size, which was calculated by adding the mattress top size, the size of the drop, and the size of the tuck, will display in a red dotted outline. The black dotted outline references the mattress size. It can be toggled off by unchecking the box next to Show Bed Size. The finished quilt size always displays the actual measurement based on your selection of block size and options such as borders and sashing. Now you must select a block layout. For our example, we will select the 2-block alternating layout. Click the Replace Block button under each to select a quilt block from your saved block library. If desired, add a single or double border and a custom width. Each option will automatically adjust the finished quilt size and the display. Click the grayscale squares to select the fabrics for your options. If you want to calculate quilt backing, select the orientation of the fabric, and during the final step, the yardage will be calculated using the width of the fabric, either regular width or wide quilt back that you have selected. Remember, you can change any of the selections: quilt size, layout, block patterns, fabric choices for borders or sashing or backing, and everything updates automatically. Experiment, be creative. Once you are satisfied with your layout or you run out of time, save your quilt top design. You can recall it later to alter or complete. Now you are ready to estimate the fabric needed for your quilt. Load any of your saved quilt layouts. All calculations are based on the sizes you have selected. Note that the instructions link originally shown may have been for a specific size block that is different than your selection in Quilters Toolbox Quilt Top Designer. The calculation is based on Quilt Top Designer settings and uses 1/4 inch seam allowances. Everything is calculated to the closest yard. The fabric estimator will show the yardage needed and the inventory available, along with details about each fabric. Warnings will display for any fabrics which require more fabric than we have in stock. A single click on the Add to Cart button will transfer the fabrics and yardage to your shopping cart. Follow the checkout process to complete the order. Hope you enjoy all the elements of Quilters Toolbox, an exclusive feature from thousands of bolts, only one nut.